hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm gonna share you my thoughts on the newly launched Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. As I saw ad on YouTube of this baby, I thought I should, get my hands on this because it is so good and it is weightless and it is launched by Lakme. Then I should definitely get my hands on this. So yeah, this is the complete review of this Lakme 925 Lip and Cheek Color. If you want to know, then please keep on watching. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. It is quite similar to the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation and Lakme 925 lipstick range. The packaging is quite similar. It's rose gold in color, and I seriously love the outer packaging of this product, and it is quite chic and slim. I love it, and this retails for $575 for 9 gram of product. This is in the shade Plum Feather. I'll be reading what they have written over here. So it says weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color. This new generation matte mousse feels incredibly weightless to wear all day, giving your lips a powdery matte finish and your cheeks a blush that completes your 925 look, capped tightly after use. So this is what they claim they have written over here on the outside the packaging. Once you open it up, this is what you get inside. Classy and kind of chic. So I just love the packaging, the inner packaging of this product. Bummer of the packaging, the only bummer of the packaging is the color is not visible like the outside of the packaging. The only you can see over here is the name written over here. Once you open it up, this is what you get inside. A doe foot applicator. And I just love it. It is very easy to use. So this is what the inside of this lip cream is. If they could have given some hint over here, or a box kind of something like that, so that we will know exactly what this shade is inside. So the only bummer of this product is that, but overall I just love the packaging. It is very handy, classy, chic. I love it. The texture of this product is quite smooth, creamy texture it has. Seriously guys, I just love the texture of this product. Smooth mousse and soft and something like a rose petal, something like that. It glides your lips very smoothly, very easily glides your lips. When I apply this onto my cheek, the blendability is quite good. It blends like a dream times. So this is what the texture is and the pigment is. They are quite pigmented, they are quite smooth, matte, and love it too. Let's see how much this lipstick gets transferred. I'm quite surprised. I didn't do any transfer test before doing this. Wow, I'm amazed by this. Wow. It do transfer, but a hint or tint you can say, it does transfer you can say. So I love it. The transfer test, it passed out so smoothly. Longevity of this product is stay for maybe max to max 3 to 5 hours, not more than that. But the thing is, it does not make your lips completely dry. I just love that fact. After after 2 or 3 hours, it does not make your lips dry or chapped or something like very bad to the lip. And I love the fact it didn't do that. Because many matte lipstick does that and I hate it. Only bummer of this product is that they have not they have not given the exact color on the inner packaging, like over. They have at least they have given something over here or over here, but nope. That's the bummer. And the second bummer is it stay for least 3 to 5 hours, not more than that. So yep, overall I just love it. I will recommend, do definitely get your hands on this. You should get your hands on this. It is 2-in-1. It is for cheeks and lips. So you should definitely get your hands on this. This is from Amazon. I will link the Amazon link in the description box, so that please do check my description box if you want to buy this baby for yourself. So yeah, with that I finished this video. I hope you like it. If you did, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share this video if this video helped you in any way. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, so please make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay updated about my channel. I'm also on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. You may also comment down below. I will see you guys on Sunday. Till then, do not let anyone ever dull your sparkle, because you know what? You're fab. Bye guys.